I like your outfit. It's so very pretty. What are you doing today?
I gonna go about something rooftop for drinking with my girl.
Okay. Happy New Year นะคะ
Happy New Year, sir.
You look like Thai. Are you Thai?
Yes, I'm Thai people.
Okay, so I would like to interview you about the culture in Thailand for sharing with the foreigner. For example, like food. Do you like food?
Yeah, of course. I like food. I can cooking also. I could cooking Thai food.
So pretty. And which food you favorite to cook?
I like to cooking about pad Thai and green curry chicken. My favorite too.
What you want to recommend tourists before visiting in Thailand?
If your guy come to Thailand and then look like city, come to Bangkok and want to chilling onto the beach, go to Phuket.
Can you recommend about the rooftop in Bangkok you would like to go? Or
Wow, actually, I recommend about Tishuka and Octave Bar.
if the foreigner would come to invite you for the dinner, probably what you want to bring, they go to dinner.
I think Thai lady like to eating, like to eat everywhere, all the time. If if some man want to date with Thai girl, just asking about her, what you want to eat? Simple.